what's up guys? So today we're just looking around in a nearby town, and everybody has their masks on today, so I'll just take mine off for a second. But we're exploring a nearby town that's like really rural and kind of old school Thai. So we're about to go to a market, but I also took some drone footage. I'd like to show you around and show you what kind of the old type of Thai city looks like.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, what's that? Sticky rice? Oh. Thank you. They have a lot of good meat on a stick on this market, yeah? Okay. Oh, good.
You want to?
Sure. Cool, buddy.
Then make fresh after you order.
Oh, that's
Most
cool.
of the time they cook everything and just serve in the back. But this they make fresh.
Wow.
Mushroom pie.
Actually.
อย่าเดินมาเอานะคะป๊า
Okay.
egg and
What is that?
yeah there's an egg and
Oh, egg and ants? Oh, really? These are ants?
egg and
Oh, the egg of ants.
These are ants.
Ah.
It's like the sour kind.
Wow.
กินบ่อยแล้วกินบ่อยนะไม่เคยกินค่ะ
Wow.
ลูกพี่ก็น่าเห็น
Yeah.
ไม่แน่ถ้าลองอาจจะชอบอันนี้หนูนาใช่ไหมหนูนาค่ะ The rat from the farm.
Oh, really?
Very big.
Oh, wow. Yay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. This market has a lot of insects. Oh, wow. And squid. Thank you. Let's see. All right. Sometimes when two pretty girls meet, they don't talk to each other. Nothing. You ready? Okay, let's go. All right. So we had a cool time at the market. This was a really interesting market. They had a lot of jungle goods.
The mushroom is like a spicy sauce. In Isan we call jao hit. Mean like a mushroom sauce that spicy a little bit, but tastes very good. And they make very fresh because after you order they cook for you after that. But mostly, if you see in the market, they ready in the back already. But they show how to cook for everyone.
All right.
ได้ค่ะ
Yeah. All right, and we're gonna go back inside the truck because it's definitely warm outside. So how much will you spend today?
Maybe 110, 120. We include the 2 course.
Oh, okay. So what are you eating?
This is the sticky rice we take to on the fire. It tastes very good. not a lot of, not a strong taste, but better than just normal sticky rice. And this make you have more taste and enjoy to eat. I not eat it for a long time already, and I miss it. It tastes very good. We call in Thai khao ji. Mean like you make the rice cook by the fire.
Oh,
That's it.
nice. Okay, well that's it for my first video for the new channel. Please do me a favor. Right now I'm limited to 10-minute videos. So please like and subscribe. That way I can post more videos. I hope you like the content of basically going around exploring, bringing you with me kind of first person for the experience, and you know, also taking a look at things from the air. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.